Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ade Web Developer. I am introducing you to DoorUp, a home service app that was built with React Native and Firebase to manage the back end. This is a mobile application that was built for book home services and get things done. DoorUp is a beautiful mobile application that is available on iOS and Android platform. It was built with React Native. React Native is a cross-platform development that we use to build mobile app, and we use it to build mobile app, and we use it to create web app also. So we using React Native, we allow you to build an iOS and Android mobile application in one code base. I'm introducing you to DoorUp today, and I would like you to subscribe on my YouTube channel and like for more tutorial like this. We'll be building this mobile application together and we'll be starting from scratch. So usually the get started button will direct us to the first onboarding screen on our DoorUp mobile application. So this is the first screen we have on our DoorUp. As you can see, it is a home service app. It is an app that provide service provider for some amenities that you need at homes. So if I click on the next button, will take me to the next onboarding screen, which is this plumbing expert near you. This next screen will take me to the third onboarding screen, and as you can notice, we are this particular dot here, it's also changing as we are navigating to the next screen. So all these are implemented using React Native, and I will guide you through on how to do all this, and we're going to be doing it together from scratch. So now this is the last onboarding screen here, where user can create account and start booking for services. So when I click on, if I click on create account now, it's going to direct me to where I can create my user account. So if I wanted to navigate through the onboarding screen, I can click on the onboarding screen to go back to the onboarding screen. So let me click on get started. So let me navigate through the onboarding screen and go to create account. So I will create my account and we see how this mobile application functions. So let me create an account using my name, Adeweb, and let me use just a random Gmail. So let me copy this Gmail and use it as my password. So now if I click on sign up, it will bring this notification that we have to accept terms and conditions on this mobile application. So if I click on OK, I have to check this terms and condition, or else I will not be able to sign up on this mobile application. I can click on this icon to view my password. So if I click on sign up, it's going to load and create my account for me. As you can see here, the user account has been created on our terminal here. So we have successfully created an account, and this is the information on the account. Now we want to add our location to our account. So here we can add our location. Let me put Lagos and my country, Nigeria. So I have to select a particular language that I want the contents on the mobile application to be in. So let me choose English. So if I choose any particular language, it's going to be selected just like this. So I can click on save details to save this information to my user account. As you can see, it's also updated on my terminal here. User address has been updated. Now user can sign up as a customer or as a service provider. So this role will determine the services and features available to users. So their experience will be customized based on their selection. So user needs to choose carefully to enjoy a personalized and seamless experience on our mobile application. So right now I will be signing up as a customer so that I will be able to book services, manage services, and rate service providers. So signing up as a customer will direct me to this customer homepage. This is my location that I selected when registering for an account on this mobile application. So this is our interface. So let's go straight into how this mobile application functions. You can see we have a very beautiful UI UX design here. This particular mobile application, full source code will be displayed. The link to the full source code will be displayed on the description link below. So here we can click on each category to see the services under that categories. So this is the cleaning categories. So we can also click on AC repair to see the services under AC repair. So we can also click on this see all button to see all the available cleaning services that we have on this cleaning department. So now we have different categories on our mobile application. So let us click on this see all button to see all the remaining categories. So now this is all the categories that we have here. Each categories have his own department. So let's click on the cleaning department. So these are the services that we render in this category. So these are the services available on this cleaning department. So we have home cleaning, carpet cleaning, rug cleaning, and we also have their prices and their rating. So let us click on the carpet cleaning. So here we can view more details of these carpet cleaning services. So user can select either they want to render this, they want to get the service done at their home, their office, or at their villa. So the user can increase the units and bedroom of their services, and also they can decrease. So user can add description. Let me copy from here the description to use here. So this is the price here, and these bill details will be another page where we're going to be viewing our billing details before we can be able to purchase this particular service. So if I click on book now, it will direct me to a model where I will be able to select date and time for my booking service. So user can click on select dates to select their dates. So dates will pop up and user will be able to select the dates that they want. And once they select a particular date, this selected date will change to the particular date they selected. So if I click on select your time, it's almost same functionality will also appear, but this will be time. So we can view details of all what we've chosen and selected here. And finally, we can confirm booking. Once we confirm the booking, we'll be redirected to our home page. So now let us go to our booking page, where all our booking will be saved. So let me refresh this page. So this is the booking that we just have now. We have our carpet cleaning. So now we can also navigate to the draft section, where all our draft services will be rendered. So let me go back to the home page to book for more services, so we can have more than one services on the service page. So let me book for home cleaning services at my office, and I have 3 units and 7 bedroom. Actually, so far it is office, bedroom is not needed, so we can just put it at 1, and this is the price, and we can also add any description that we want here. So let me just click on book now. So let me select my date. So now let me click on confirm booking. So once it's directed me to home, I will go to my booking to search to check my current booking. Okay, this is our draft home page. So let's go back to our booking. So you can see now that we have 2 bookings here, which is the carpet cleaning and the home cleaning. So all our bookings will be stored on this particular page. So now we don't have any draft saved already. So we need to go back to our service booking to put some information on our draft page, and let's see how the draft page works also. So now let us use rug cleaning. So home, and let us put any description here. So now let us save as draft. So we click on save as draft and we are redirected to home. So now let us go back to our save booking, and we are at the draft page right now. So now this is our draft. So we have our booking here and we also have our draft here. We are fetching this information directly from Firebase database. So now we can search for a particular services that we have here in our save booking. And if we are selecting for something that only exists, we won't be able to see any information on our save booking page. So once user can also apply for discounts on these banners that we have here. So you'll be wondering, how are we going to be uploading services, and how are we going to be how are we going to be adding services to our categories? We have some pages that are coming on our mobile application. So now let us go to the admin panel, where we'll see how we can add services to our page. So now we can delete services, and we can also add more services. So now we delete beauty services. Now these are the services we have as of now. So now let us add another service called beauty. So let's add this category. So once we add this category of beauty, you will notice that we have the category here. So on our painting, we can add subcategory on our painting. Either it is house painting, let us add house painting, or let us just add painting services. So these are our painting services. So we can add subcategory. So once we add a subcategory, it should be added here, our painting services. So now on these painting services, we can also click on the painting services to add our real services. So let us enter a service name. So let us select either it is house painting. Okay, let us use house painting. So let us add the price. So this particular house painting will go for $3,847. So the service rating is 4.56. So let us add an image. So let us use this particular image. I love to enjoy myself. I'm sorry guys, I have to eat. So let us click on choose. So here we'll be able to add image to this particular house painting service. So now we can add service. So once we add this service will be permanently added on our painting category. So now we've added this particular service. Now let us go to search for this service. So let us use the back button. Use the back button. So now this is our painting, right? Let's click on painting. So let us view all. You notice that let us refresh our app. So let us click on painting I think we are having some issues right now. This is supposed to be the painting service. Okay, let's go to the categories to click on the painting service. So this is the painting service I've just created. Let's check on this particular one. Okay, this is the service that I've just created. The problem here now is that we have two rendering services under painting services. So we need to delete one services and leave the real services that we're supposed to have on our paintings under our painting services. So now this is the real painting service that you can see they have the same name, and this is giving our Firebase difficulties to read a particular service. So now let us go to the admin panel to correct this issue. So under the painting service, we have a particular categories. We have duplicated categories. So we have to delete this category here as it is not what we want. And let us click on this particular subcategory and let us check for the services under it. As you can see now, under these painting services, we have this particular category under it. So now let us go back to our page. Let's go back to our home page. So, and also we have user authentication on this mobile application. It can retain user for more than 12 years and user will not be logged out until user sign out the account themselves. So now let us click on our painting service. As you can see now, we have our real painting service here. You can view all and you will see that this is our real painting service. But it's supposed to be available painting service, not available cleaning service. So we will going to work on that very soon. So let us continue to our categories and check on the painting service. So now we have one painting service subcategory here. If we click on this painting service, it will direct us to where we can see more about our service detail. So let us click on office. So this is the price here. And let us add some description. Now let us click on it now. So we can add. So let us confirm booking. So now we already confirmed booking. Now let us go to our booking service. As you can see, we have our house painting here. Our book at our booking page. So we have it here, and anytime we are ready for the service, we will call the service provider. So we're going to integrate a particular functionality where service provider can also sign up for account and can also be linked to any available services rendered by the user. So this is what we'll be creating, and along the way, we're going to be building the rest components together. If you are happy about this project, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when this project tutorial drop on YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you.